Yo, we're ready. Going for a new speed run, going for 150 miles an hour, 250 kilometers an hour. Waiting for some satellites for the GPS. It's taking a while. Yes, we've got 8 satellites. I'm going to track. Start. Oh, come on. Yes, start. You see, this is the car. Okay, let's go. Goeie run, was a good run. Okay, first we're gonna cool the car. Smells a bit like something's burning, but let's cool the car down. Where's my phone? 2:33. Okay. We need another run. Should give me the new gearing should give me 250 kilometers an hour. So we're a bit off, but let's see what we can do now. Oh yeah, I extended the rear because this was a lot of open space, and I wanted the air above the body to leave the car a bit. How do you call it? A bit more smooth, and it should, like you can see here, it should connect with the air that comes under the diffuser. So yeah, just a thing I thought about myself. So yeah, let's go. Did I just forgot to turn on the GPS? Okay, GPS. This is the car. Track. Start. Yes. Okay. Oh, my phone is here. Then we turn on the car. Okay, again, little camera at the back. Turning on the transmitter. Okay, let's go. Ooh, this was a good run. Motor is really warm, but not that warm. Okay, let's get the GPS. Yes, here it is. Stop. Okay, read 240. Okay, I wanted to get 250, but yeah, we spoiled some juice from the lipos during the test runs. So yeah, heading home now, clean the car, check everything, and then hope we have the same weather tomorrow. With freshly charged lipos, we should get 250. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.